Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the 1 to 4 assignments for your FA1. First assignment of book Hornbill. First question, when did the relationship between the author and grandmother change? When their relation changed? When they shifted to city? What was difference between village and city school? In village school, there was maths, language and religion were taught, and in city school, English and science and music were added. The next question is, what happened when author joined university? When author joined university, he was given a separate room and his relation with his grandmother completely snapped. What was daily routine of grandmother in village? She readied the author for school, helped him in his homework, went with him to school and came back with him. These all are. But in the examination, in the test, you will choose one answer from two options, right? And then how did she celebrate? There was, one more daily routine, telling her beads, reading scriptures in the Gurudwara and feeding street dogs was also there. How did she celebrate homecoming of the author? When author came back from abroad, she invited the neighborhood women and sang the songs of homecoming of warriors. Then describe the boat. In this answer, you will the weight of the boat, length and breadth of the boat. What happened when the sea storm came? When the sea storm came, what happened? Their life was disturbed. The boat, and water entered the boat, and it was very difficult for them to survive. And they used all the life drills, whatever they have bought material. So there are so many things, but you are to learn all the answers. But in test there will be only two options, one correct and one wrong. If two are correct, then most appropriate. What happened when the sea storm came? Again the same. It is repeated question. How did the author try to save his family? Again wahi. Life jackets, doubling of ropes, all the things. How was the attitude of children different from that of the author? The author was afraid. He was sure of his death. But when he came to his children's room, they gave him a beautiful card and they said, we are not afraid to die if we all are together. So this is difference of attitude. Children showed optimism and elder were pessimist. What value do we learn from we are not afraid? We learn that we should never lose hope, however difficult times we are facing with. Why was Toots' mummy scrutinized? To know about the cause of his death and age of his at the time of his death. What was the result of investigation? No result. The question remained unanswered. He died a natural death. What forced Toot rebuild the temples? His father was called a Veki king. He destroyed the temples of Aten and Maidpoon, and Toot rebuilt the temples destroyed by his father. Which act of his father made the public annoyed? Destruction of their traditional temples. What made Toot a favorite king? Because Toot rebuilt the temples and he also changed his name to Anaketen to Anakamun. So it is better written in the text. You better go to the text also, and the answers I have already given you. And this made him the favorite king. Why was Toot's body taken out from the resting place? Again, we have discussed the language is changed to study, to come to about the reason of his death and age at the time of his death. At what age? He died in his teenage. What questions remained unanswered? Very same questions. At what age he died and what was the cause of his death? Name the author. You learn the authors of all the stories. Who is the author of? Again author wala question aa gaya. Who wrote Discovering Toot? Again author question. Now assignment 2. What are the four systems of earth? Four basic system: way forest trees, grasslands, croplands, and water bodies. These all are four systems. Who is the most dangerous animal on the earth and why? Man, because he is exploiting nature, polluting nature. What is sustainable development? A development that leaves scope for future generations to use the natural resources is a sustainable development. Means we do development and we do not encroach upon the natural resources. We have borrowed the earth from our children. How? Because this earth does not belong to us only. It is for the future generations also. So we are to do sustainable development so that the earth is secured for the coming generation. What is the most responsible factor in environmental degradation? What do you think? Population. Population is increasing, then pollution is increasing. Name basic system. Again the same question. Four systems of earth. How can we control environmental degradation? By controlling, checking pollution and checking population first. Both. You are to select which is more appropriate. Which comes first? Who is Taplow? Taplow is a student of class grade 5. Difference between Crocker Harris and Frank. Crocker Harris is a language teacher. He is middle-aged. He is strict. He follows the school rules. On the contrary, Frank is science teacher. He is young. He does not follow the school rules and he is friendly with the students. What is the attitude of Taplow for Crocker Harris? Though he does not like him because he is strict, but even then he respects him because whatever he does, it is for the welfare of the student. Taplow understands this thing. What is the attitude of Frank for Crocker Harris? Frank does not like Crocker Harris. It is very clear in their conversation. He speaks ill of. He provokes Taplow to speak ill of his teacher, Crocker Harris. Whom do you like more, Frank or Crocker Harris? It is your choice. Who were Satan and Daniel? Satan, dog, and Daniel was his friend, driver. Why did the author want to go to the Mount Kailash? To do his religious kura. What happened to the author at all? He was, his chest was congested and he felt very sick. Then who was Norbu? Norbu was also a pilgrim who had come there to do the religious kura. Describe Darchan. Darchan was a very dry place. It was a very lonely place. No pilgrims had arrived there yet. Why had Norbu come to Darchan? He had also come there to perform his religious kura. Why was the place so desolated? Because the season had not yet started for the pilgrimage. Name the author. I have already told you, you are to learn the names of the authors of all the stories. Now assignment number 3. What is photograph about? Photograph is about poet's mother and her 2 cousins. Who are in the photograph? Again same, mother and 2 cousins, Dolly and Betty. What did the poet feel to see the photograph? She feels nostalgic, sad. What was the age of the mother in the photo? 12-13 years. What is silence? Silences means the poet is unable to tell anything about the incident because at this time her mother had died. What voices in the poet is the poet talking about? 2 voices. Voice of the poet himself and second is the voice of the rain. What is basic cycle of rain? Evaporation of water from the earth and then formation of clouds in the sky and then coming back of rain to the earth. What makes the poet surprised? To listen to the answer of the rain. The poet is surprised. When the rain speaks, what is the job of the rain? Again, the same cycle. Job of the rain is to cleanse the earth, to give life to the earth, to help to grow vegetation on the earth. Mention poetic devices used in Song of the Earth. Not only in this, you are to learn all the poetic devices. Explain wrecked or unwrecked. Wrecked or unwrecked means rewarded or unrewarded. When did Goldfinch came on the laburnum top? In mid-September. How did the tree react? It was happy to get a company. What are the sound words used in the poem? You are to write all the sound words, whatever it is. Then describe Goldfinch. The appearance of the Goldfinch will write here. How is tree engine of her family? Because tree helps them to make nest, to live there, and to help her to save her children from the weather. What happens when Goldfinch flies away? The tree becomes silent and lonely once again. How does laburnum tree looks like? Yellow leaves, and feathers of the Goldfinch are also yellow. Na? That is why it has come here. And it is very beautiful tree, full of leaves and very dense tree. What does the poet guess in the first stanza? It is a childhood poem. He guesses that his childhood went when he came to know that there is no hell or heaven on the earth. In which stanza he talks about hypocrisy? In the second stanza, he talks about the hypocrisy of adult people. Ki they teach love, but they do not love. What does he try to express in the third stanza? He tries to express that he has an individual person. He has his own personal thoughts. Where does he find his childhood at last? He finds his childhood at last on the face of another children. What does the poet wish for? He wishes for his childhood memories. He wants to search for his childhood. Name the poets of Photograph, Voice of the Green Laburnum, all the names of the poems as well as the stories.